Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vibes with Valencia. Today I'm going to show you how you could take any wall art in your house and you could add a little bit of glam to it for $6. So if you would like to see how I created this look, keep watching. First item you're going to need is 3 wall arts. I purchased these 3 wall arts from Ross for $21.99. Next item you're going to need is 24 of the shiny bowls from Dollar Tree, and these are usually sold as 4 in a pack. Next, you're going to need 2 strips of cardboard pieces that is cut to the length and the width of the silver bowls. Next item you're going to need is some Gorilla Hot Glue sticks. You're going to need a glue gun, and you're going to need some Gorilla Super Glue Gel. You could use this, or you could either use E6000. So before I stick any of the bowls to the cardboard, I am just making sure that I lay my bowls out properly again one more time to make sure that I have enough bowls for this project and to make sure it is the proper length of how I would want it to look on the wall. So here you're seeing me lay 12 bowls on each side. So now I'm just looking at the placement of the bowls and making sure that I do like the way how this layout is. Now I'm going to take my bowls and I'm going to glue them down onto the cardboard strip. But before I do that, I must make sure that the strip is long enough for the bowls. So just a quick tip. Before gluing the bowls onto the cardboard, you want to make sure that the cardboard is the same length and width as the bowl. No more than an inch long, because you want to use those extra inch for securing the board onto the wall with thumbtacks. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to the back of the bowl with a little dab of the super glue or E6000 glue. And I am going to press firmly onto the cardboard box, holding the bowl onto the cardboard box for about 5 seconds to make sure that it have a secure hold. And I'm going to keep adding the bowls all the way up until I reach to 12 bowls on the cardboard. Once I'm finished adding the bowls on the cardboard, this is what it looks like. So next what I did is I added a picture frame and I put the bowls to the side of the picture frame, but I must let you guys know that I secured the bowls onto the wall with some clear thumbtacks. So if I want to go ahead and remove the bowls from off of the wall or change the decor, I can. This wall decor piece is so beautiful, and whenever I have guests that comes to the house, they all fall in love with the way how this wall decor look. So hopefully you guys like this video of how you could glam up your wall art in your house for only $6. So until next time guys, I will see you in the next video. Please make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my video.